The makeup your order should go in. Dang, I was feeling so confident when I said that too. Let's try this again. This is the order in which your makeup should go in if you want a very flawless, blended, seamless look. Put concealer on your lids, blend it out, that's your primer, and then do your eyeshadow. Add your complexion products. This is Summer Fridays Skin Tint in shade 4, and then I mix it in with Tarte Key Largo bronzing drops. Cream or liquid bronzer, cream or liquid blush, liquid highlighter, and then blend that together. Color corrector underneath your eyes. Mascara only on the top for now. Brow gel. Concealer, apply it everywhere, but only blend everywhere else except your under eyes, and let the under eyes marinate for a couple of minutes. It's been 3 minutes, so now we can blend the under eyes with the sponge. Little cleanup trick for your eyeshadow. Take your beauty blender and go like this, and it immediately cleans up your eyeshadow and makes it look like you tried super hard, and it's a super sharp line, which I just love. We're gonna set the under eyes. When you grab your powder, make sure you tap off the excess and get an even application here on your puff, and then take your sponge and last minute remove any creasing. You saw that right there? Remove any creasing. Take your puff and apply your powder like so. Apply some eyeshadow right here to round out your eye. Now you do all of your powder products, so like powder bronzer, contour your nose, powder blush, spray face. Let that dry and then press into that product, that spray, with a sponge. Powder highlighter right on top, powder right below your bronzer and your T-zone. Lastly, we're gonna do our lip products and some lip gloss. There you go, the perfect, flawless, seamless, blended makeup look every single time if you go in that specific order. Hope this was helpful. Bye.